Hey folks, it's JP here. It's Wednesday, September 7th. This is a continuance of the removal of the demolition bees. And the demolition bees I removed from the house being torn down in Avondale, Louisiana. Bringing them to one of my main bee yards in 9 Mile Point. And I'm going to go ahead and set them up today. I just thought I'd go ahead and take some footage and show y'all day 2. Set them up right here. First thing I'm going to do is go into this hive and see if we can find that queen. I got this little gadget right here from Paul the Freight the other day. I got one that's much larger scale, but as y'all know by now, a bunch of my videos I like to staple my hive tops together and while I'm transporting bees, and then I have to pull the staples. But you can see that gadget, and they make one of these. It's a lot bigger, and for pulling nails and things like that. But I found this little one right here. Thought it was kind of cute, and I figured it would probably be just a ticket for pulling my staples out. So you can go ahead and yep. Does a good job. Better than the hive tool. Now y'all promise not to laugh if I get stung now on my leg. Okay? I'm hoping not to get stung. I'm hoping everybody's in a good mood. But you never know when you're doing this kind of thing, you know? We need to give them a little puff. Okay? And I'm going to go ahead and pop the top. Down here. Woo! If we happen to be up, trust me on that. Pull my thumbtacks. That's a good bit of bees covering that brood there. Check that other one. I think that other one has more bees than that one before it, so maybe we'll get a nice little surprise here. Let's see. Put this back in. I don't see her. I'm going over this side here a couple of times because they're kind of bunched up a little bit in spots. She could be behind some of them. I'll go ahead and check it one more time. Let's see. I don't think she's on there. I'll tell you what I like to do a lot of times is if I don't find the queen, I'll go ahead and check them again. That's what I'm looking for. Just kind of nice and casual. No need to get overly frustrated about this. So, you know, she could have been on the bottom or a side or, you know, who knows where, and then run to one of these frames, and the second go around, you happen to catch her. So, we're just going to give it a look again. I'm going to shake that last box and see if Queenie might be in there. Alright, we're going to give these a little smoke. Oh Lord, it's a lot of bees. I hope they're not angry. Ooh, that's a lot of bees. Let's see. Let some crawl out, maybe shake some. These a little bit. Try to get them running. Alright, here we go. Ooh, a lot of bees. I'm going to go ahead and just take a peek in here. I ain't supposed to find a queen on a frame like that, folks. Just 2 minutes. A lot of freaking bees there, Papa. Oh man, that's just covered. There she is. She's a tiger stripe. Lord have mercy, she looks just like the other bees. And she's healthy. Alright, well, fantastic. It's always good to get the queen. It's Saturday, September 10th, and we're back in the bee yard, fooling with the demolition bees again. I brought me a medium nuke and a couple of frames of honey that we're going to go ahead and give the demolition bees and give them a little feed and kind of get them on their way a little bit. Good morning, girls. Okay. This is a frame of honey that I keep some in the little freezer I have at my house, okay? For occasions like this. That should make these girls very happy. Got them more space and more feed. Alright. Came into the yard this morning to add the medium newt to give them a little more space, and I gave them a couple of frames of feed. I've also added an entrance reducer just to keep everybody in check. You don't want to set up a hive that's trying to establish itself and give them feed without reducing the entrance. It could sometimes lead to robbing. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Looks like the bees are nice and set up, and they should do just fine. So another video by JP the Bee Man. Y'all have a good day. Take care now.